What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to give you a short but simple explanation of the Facebook ads platform, the opportunities that are available, and how it works. There's a lot of vastness to the Facebook ads network because there's so many different ways that you can use it. You can promote your own Facebook page, you can promote your website, you can promote affiliate promotions, you can promote on Instagram. There's just so many different things that are available, and it can be confusing for someone that's new in terms of what it is that they can do on the platform. But I just want to share with you how it works and kind of keep it simple. So the main thing to understand is that Facebook ads has two primary ways. I'm doing two like this, but it's really like this. There's two different ways that you can promote on Facebook. The first way is internally. What I mean by that is you can promote your own Facebook page like I have over here. Now I actually grew this page organically, but let's say hypothetically speaking I was trying to get more followers. I could actually advertise this page to people that are interested in nature, that are of a certain age group. It really doesn't matter, but the point being is I could use that in this internal promotion. I could also use it to promote a business within Facebook, or I could promote my Instagram account or my Instagram page. Those are examples of internal promotions with Facebook ads. And just as well, you can also do the second option, which is externally promote through Facebook. Now with external promotions, it's basically an idea where you create a Facebook ad, people click on the ad, but that takes them outside the Facebook realm into, let's say, your website where you have some kind of email opt-in opportunity or some kind of affiliate promotion or something of that sort. That's an example of an external one. It's more traditional towards the PPC stuff that we see with Google ads or YouTube ads, Microsoft ads, things of that sort. But that is the main thing to understand about Facebook. Now, another thing to know is that Facebook is actually not working the same way as, let's say, Google ads or YouTube ads. It primarily focuses on helping you choose demographics, age groups, and people that have specific interests and create an ad based off all of these parameters. Maybe just one, maybe just two, maybe a bunch of different detailed ones where you can really hone in on a specific audience that's interested in something, because the more you are targeted with the types of audiences that you want to reach with your ad, whether that be for internal promotions or external promotions, the point being is the more specific you are, the less you will pay for your ad, which is another reason why you want to do it that way. But the point being is that with Facebook ads, you can really dive deep into the types of people that are interested in your ad. You can even set up an ad that's very broad in the beginning to kind of test for a few dollars what kinds of audiences are going to click on that ad and interact with it, and then make a follow-up ad which actually is much more targeted based on the initial results you got from your first ad. So that's really how a lot of experts do that sort of stuff. And another thing to know about Facebook ads is that it can be a very cheap endeavor. You can actually get clicks and advertise on Facebook ads for as little as $1 a day, and in some cases get really dirt cheap clicks for a few cents a click. I mean, it is quite incredible. But obviously, as incredible as it is, as there are many opportunities, it still does require practice, refinement, and the repetition, frankly speaking, because Facebook ads, like any other PPC platform, requires that you understand your audience, that you test your ads, get results, refine, test again, and keep doing that until you reach a successful case where you, for example, have a funnel where Facebook ads is bringing you good quality traffic that's turning into whatever kind of conversion you're trying to turn that into, whether that be followers on your Facebook page, followers on Instagram, or perhaps conversions into some kind of client or email opt-in or sales of an affiliate product. But that is the general overview of the Facebook ads platform. I hope that it was clear. If you have any questions about it, let me know. But as usual, I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.